His Holiness Trijang Rinpoche, age 6. In his last incarnation, the spiritual teacher of Song Rinpoche and junior tutor to the Dalai Lama. Trijang Rinpoche was one of the most influential masters of the last generation of Lamas born in Tibet. It's said that Song Rinpoche delayed his own passing until the new incarnation of his teacher could be found. This is Trijang Rinpoche's attendant, the one who conducted the successful search. The search party, all smiles, emerging from the house where the new incarnation was discovered. The boy's father told them an astonishing story. He'd once admonished the child for drinking so much milk when they were so poor. To his amazement, the boy calmly informed him that he didn't have to worry, that he, the boy, had 10 cows, and Paulden was looking after them for him. Well, 10 happened to be the exact number of cows in Trijang Rinpoche's household, and Paulden happened to be the name of his attendant. In the Gelugpa sect, a monk will study the philosophy of Buddhism for 20 to 30 years. This includes